Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the device over and remove two 8mm screws and two 4.5mm screws from the bottom cover. Gently insert the opener pick between the bottom cover and the palm rest, and slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Peel back the tape and unplug the battery from the motherboard. Remove 6 3mm screws from the heatsink. Remove the plastic covering on the Wi-Fi card, and gently lift up to unplug the antenna cables. Remove one 3mm screw from the Wi-Fi card. Gently pull back to unplug the Wi-Fi card from the motherboard. Peel back the tape, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the LCD cable from the motherboard. Unplug the speakers from the motherboard. Peel back the tape, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the palm rest cable from the motherboard. Peel back the tape, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the touchpad cable from the motherboard. Peel back the tape, flip open the locking clips, and unplug the daughterboard cables from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the camera cable from the motherboard. Remove two 3mm screws from the bracket and two 3mm screws from the motherboard. Gently lift up and pull back on the motherboard, taking care not to bend or damage the ports. Replace the motherboard back into its port slots, and be sure to get all the cables out from underneath. Replace the bracket, and replace the two 3mm screws into the bracket and the two 3mm screws into the motherboard. Plug the LCD cable back into the motherboard. Plug the speaker cable back into the motherboard. Plug the palm rest cable back into the motherboard. Plug the touchpad cable back into the motherboard. Plug the daughter board cables back into the motherboard. And plug the camera cable back into the motherboard. Plug the Wi-Fi card back into the motherboard. And replace the one 3mm screw. Gently push down to plug the antenna cables back into the Wi-Fi card. Using a 99% isopropyl alcohol solution, clean any old thermal paste off the heatsink and the new motherboard. Apply a small amount of thermal paste to the motherboard as shown, and replace the heatsink. Replace the 6 3mm screws in the heatsink. Plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the bottom cover and push down to snap it back into place. Replace the 2 8mm screws and 2 4.5mm screws into the bottom cover.